This is new session of information technology. This is first session. Whatever we have studied previously, please omit those things. पहले जो भी पढ़ाई हुआ है उसको omit कीजिए. हमारा सिलेबस इसी पे बेस्ड होगा, जैसा कि कुछ लोगों ने बुक लिया है इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, उसी पे बेस्ड होगा. पहले हमारा जो बुक हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे थे वो कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन था. अभी सिलेबस और भी इजी हो गया आप लोग के लिए, कोई इश्यूज़ नहीं है और आसान हो गया आप लोगों के लिए पढ़ना. सो ये पहला क्लास है, पिछला जो भी पढ़ाई हुआ है उसको थोड़ा ओमिट कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है. पहला सेशन है फंक्शनल इंग्लिश. इन दिस वी विल कंप्लीट 2 सेशन टुडे, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग सेल्फ एंड ग्रीटिंग अदर्स. इसमें पहला देखिए क्या है. फर्स्ट देखिए कम्युनिकेशन. व्हाई वी नीड कम्युनिकेशन, प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन. सपोज you are working in an IT company, in a TCS or a Wipro or a Microsoft or a Facebook or a Instagram, whatever its company it is. Suppose you are working with a company, IT company. There you can't expect peoples around your working colleagues around you having same mother tongue, that is Hindi. You can't expect peoples who are working with you have a proper knowledge what is that, what your mother tongue is. Okay, they may be a Chinese person, there may be a American person, American citizen, they may be a German citizen or a Russian. In that situation, what you have to do, you have to know a global language, English language. That is compulsory for working in MNC, multinational company, where different national peoples are working, okay, for same project. पहला जो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इंट्रोड्यूसिंग सेल्फ, पहला सेशन. इन दिस how we are introducing ourselves to others. So first point is I would like to introduce myself. I am Pavan Verma. Okay. Second is hi, hello, I am Pavan Verma. There, this way also we can introduce ourselves. Third is hi, hello, my name is Pavan. Hi, hello, my name is, hi or hello, not both. Hi, my name is Pavan, but you can call me something. I live at where, place Patna. I am from Patna. I live at where I live at, that means your place. Okay. I'm working as a teacher. I'm working as a software engineer. I am a software engineer. I studied at where, it can be anything. This college I studied at Chennai, REC college. I am here to teach you all. My hobbies are to play cricket. I like to play cricket. Okay. Then we have exercise. Just try these things at home. My name is, you have to read these things. Okay. It's not anything to solve. You have to read these things, like how you are introducing yourself. First is my name is Pavan Verma and you are. Okay. I am a doctor. I work at Safdarganj Hospital. Okay. This is introduction a person is giving. It is pleasure to meet you. Okay. Third line, what you have to say if you meet any person, then you have to say like this in this pattern. This is a proper pattern to introduce yourself to someone. Her name is Nisha, and the two men she is talking to is Manoj and Rahul. Okay. You can say like this. She is a doctor. She works at Safdarganj Hospital. Means you are introducing your colleague also. Then read this. I have a dog. Do you have a dog? We have a dog. He has a dog. Like this, how you are pronouncing the words, like question mark is there, how you are pronouncing. Just read out loud and try to practice at home. Then assessment, you have to fill this and submit the homework to me. Hi, I am, or I is, I are. What it will be? I am Priya. Okay. And I am 21 years old. I lives in Delhi. I live in Delhi. There are 6 members in my family. There are. Okay. There was his past tense. My parents, okay, love me very much. Loves me. What it will be? Just send me the answers. What do you think? My brothers is working. Okay. My brothers are working because it's a plural tense. My father is a farmer because it's singular tense. My mother is a housewife, singular tense. My mother one. I having. I am having one sister. I have one sister. I has one sister. No, I have one sister. She is am are. She is student. She are no. She is student. Okay. Fill these things and send it to me. Relevant knowledge. What is mean by relevant knowledge about any topic? Suppose we are talking about right now English. So what we are studying right now, English, something relevant to the subject. Every conversation starts with greeting. This means hi, hello, whatever. The tone and language based on the peoples we meet. Suppose you are meeting a business person. Okay, you are a businessman. You are meeting a business person. Then your voice will be like that, very much professional. And suppose you are meeting your friend after a very long time, your voice will be little different. Okay, you will be joyful to meet the guy or meet your friend. So voice also based on the situation or person you are meeting. Greeting a friend. This means that how you are greeting a friend. First is hello. Hello, how are you doing? Okay. Second, it has been a long time since we last meet. This is a greeting a friend. Okay. It has been a long time since we last met. Hello, how are you doing? How is life? These things we ask from a friend. Suppose you are greeting an acquaintance. Okay. Then hello, how are you? Like a formal person, how you are meeting a business person or a colleague, how you are meeting in office. Hello, have you been? Have you been? How have you been? Or otherwise, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. All is well. You asking something like all is well. Hello, how are you doing? How are you? Like first question you can ask. Second question you can ask. Hello, how have you been? It means how are you? Like आप कैसे हो? Or third you can ask like good morning, all is well. Like you asking a question that all is well, are you okay? Greeting a stranger, how you are meeting a stranger, how you are greeting a stranger. Stranger means a unknown person on the road or anywhere. Hello, you can say hello, or you can say good morning or afternoon or evening, like that based on this time you are meeting a stranger person. Third is how do you do, means you are asking a stranger person, you can't greet him like we are meeting after a very long time. एक अननोन आदमी से आप ये नहीं पूछ सकते वी आर मीटिंग आफ्टर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. यू कैन से हाउ डू यू डू. माई नेम इज आरती. मे आई नो योर नेम. लाइक यू स्ट्रेंजर यू कैन आस्क हिज नेम और हर नेम. Look at the following sentence. I greet you every day. You greet me every day. He greet me every day. We greet you good morning. You all greet us good morning. They greet us morning. Do you see any change in the two sets of sentence? Can you see the both sentence? Can you see any changes? There is a rule which is the reason behind the change. There is a rule that first sentence and second sentence there is some changes. You can see. So note, what is the note? You go through that. For any subject like name of a person or a place or thing, that is in the third person and a singular person like Ram, Rita, he, she, it, Delhi, bus, chair, etc. The verb will take an s or es after it. Like first sentence, go through it. I greet you every day. You greet me every day. Have greets me every day. These three sentences are there. We greet you good morning. You all greet us good morning. They greet us good morning. Okay. Examples. Just go through the example. You will get more clarity. Ram meets new people every day. Like meets. Why we are using meets? Singular. That again go through the note just above it. For any subject like a name, that is Ram here. That is in the third person. Okay. And singular Ram, the verb will take an s or es. That's why this s meets. Ram is a one person. Is meeting many persons every day. New people every day. Okay, it can be one person or it can be more than one person. So it will be Ram meets new people every day. He works as a salesperson. A person is working as a salesperson. Okay, he having many tasks to do as a salesperson. So this is s. Delhi gets rain in the month of July and August. Delhi gets means not for a single moment or single day. Delhi gets a rain in the month, okay, for in July and August. The bus goes to Munirka. Munirka means the bus goes by different roadways or by different halt, okay, different stops the bus is going. So bus is actually going to Munirka via different halt. So bus goes, it will not go only one time. or it will not stop at one stop only. It will goes to, the bus goes to Munirka. The chair makes a noise when you sit on it. Like chair makes noise means any person sits on the chair will makes noise. Okay, so it will be a plural tense. Here we are using s or es. The chair makes a noise when you sit on it. Note at the last, for every other subject, first and second person singular or plural, and third person plural, that is Ram and Sita, they, Delhi, Bombay, buses, chairs, etc., the rule will not apply. Means chairs make noise, buses go to Munirka, Delhi, okay, this is plural, this is correct. He work, or Ram work as a salesperson. He works as a salesperson. Ram meets a new people every day. See, a new people will be more than one person or one person. It will be a plural, like Ram meets. He works, otherwise we can say Ram work. Okay, one person is working as a salesperson in the company. Ram work as a salesperson, but we are using he works. It can be more than one person. They work. Okay. Again we have example, I meet new people every day, we meet new people every day, you meet new people every day, you all meet new people every day, Ram and Sita meet new people every day. Here we are not using s or es. Okay, just go through that, ask your queries. I will try to again go through these slides again once more. Okay, we have almost same session again, 2 to 3 session more based on functional English. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.